Hi everybody, how are you doing? This is Get Knotted Paracord, and today we are making the easiest adjustable paracord bracelet ever. It's going to be a sliding knot bracelet, and I don't think you can make one as easy and simple as this. So here we go. I've got about 1.5 feet of paracord here, and what we're going to do is make a bite like that, and I'm going to get this short end here. I'm going to wrap it over the top like that, underneath. It's going to go back over to make a bit of an X like that. This end is going to go underneath these two bits here, and then you see this X shape here. This end is going to go through that X like that and pull it together. That is your sliding knot. Now it's a little bit loose at the moment. It's a bit too easy to slide this paracord, so I want to tighten this knot up a little bit more. So all I'm going to do is grab the short end and this piece here and give it a tug. Squidge it together, give it a tug, and now it still slides, but there's quite a bit of bite on the cord, which is what I want. You don't want your Mad Max paracord bracelet to be all loose, and you don't want to have to adjust it all day. So here you go, that's what we've got. Now all I'm going to do is get the cord and put it over the widest part of my hand and adjust it up a little bit. There, that's good enough for me. I'm just going to push this knot up into my hand so that it's comfortable. Now all we're going to do, we've got a short bit and a long bit. We're going to get rid of this short bit. So I'm going to, don't know if you can see that, I'm going to snip along here. I'm going to singe it into that part of the knot there. So let me get my scissors. See how close I'm getting? So I'm just going to snip it. Going to singe. Just slow burn on the top of that cord. And then with my thumb, I'm just going to lick my thumb and squidge it in to the top of that knot. Like that. That's good. Put it over my hand again just to make sure I've got the width right. Perfect. And now on this side, on the long piece, I'm just going to do an overhand knot. So I'm going to make a loop like that, put the end through the loop and tighten this knot up to that knot there. So I've pushed it up to there. Now I'm going to slide this knot down out the way, so I don't need it at the moment. I'm going to pull this overhand knot tight like that. The overhand knot is a stopper knot, so I've pulled it nice and tight, as you can see. And now what I'm going to do is snip the long bit off like that and singe this piece. Shall I go in a bit closer so you can see? Don't burn your fingers. I'm just gonna singe that bit in there like that. Flatten it off using my tool. You don't need your tool, you can just lick your thumb and squidge it in like I did earlier on. And there you go. And that is your sliding knot paracord bracelet, the easiest way to do one. Now if you want to see my other sliding knot bracelet, have a look over there. Otherwise, in the comments down below, let me know if there's an easier bracelet to tie than this. But I don't think so. I think we've got minimalist to the max here.